Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am starting out my new project pan for 2023. So this project pan will be a rolling 10 project pan where I work to finish products or maybe in some cases hitting pan. But yeah, this is the primary project where I will focus on using up shit from my collection. But before we jump into my introduction, if you're new here, hello, my name is Helena, and here on this channel I do love to use the makeup that I already own, so if you like project panning content, definitely stick around, but I also really love testing out new makeup, so you get both worlds here. Yeah, but subscribe and say hi in the comments, and let's get into this intro. So my voice is still not recovered, and yeah, I don't know. This flu has stuck around for forever. It is what it is, but we are going to talk about my 10 products that I'm going to start out with. And if you have seen my plan to pan, I think that all of these products were actually mentioned in that video. So if you haven't seen it, I will link it down below. But yeah, let's start out with what should we start with? So I have some easy like gimme products because we need to start out very like we need to get some wins, you know, early on in the year. So let's start with a very easy product. This is my just a sample size of the MAC Strobecream in the shade, what is it, Pink Light. So this is like the primer that I'm going to focus on and hopefully be able to roll out after 1 month. Fingers crossed that will be able to happen, but I mean it's super tiny. It only contains, how much do you hold? 6 mils. And it is the primer that I'm wearing today. I've been testing out, I have a primer that I'm not really, I don't know if I want to keep it around or if I'm going to declutter it, so I'm trying to mix it with other primers to kind of lighten it up a bit, and I did that today and I actually feel like that was a winning concept. It did work out well with this one, so I'm going to continue doing that when I use this. But yeah, this one is my primer that I'm starting with. It weighs 10 grams today, and yeah, shouldn't be an issue to get this one out of my collection pretty quickly. If you followed my channel from last year or my product pan from last year, you also know that I worked on my Colorpop Pretty Fresh foundation that year. I didn't remove the washi tape, I just kept it because this is the foundation that I'm going to start off with. I want to have this out of my collection. I have just very little left, like I'm at that bottom line there. So that's where I'm starting out, so shouldn't be an issue. It's not entirely flat either, so like the bottom is, the end is not at the very end of this flask. How do I make sense? I don't know. But yeah, I love this foundation. It is the foundation. I'm wearing all of these products that are in my, like, in this product now, so this is the foundation that I'm wearing today. It wears so well on my skin. I have oily combination skin, but I feel like this one is one of the foundations that wears best, because when I work I tend to have my makeup on for like 12 hours and I'm always pretty greasy and oily, but this one just, despite, you know, my oils coming through, it still looks like good. It doesn't like slid off my face or anything weird. It's just has a really great lasting power for me. So but I want to work that one out. What else do we have? I have my eyeshadow primer. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. This is basically like, I don't know, it feels like it should be done soon, but product is still coming out. We're just gonna work on it till it's out. This one weighs 6 grams today, and yeah, I want to finish this one also. It's okay, I won't repurchase it because I feel like if I put too much on, my eyeshadows tend to crease. Using it and buffing it in with a brush is the best way for me to not get too much eyeshadow primer on, but yeah. I wouldn't repurchase it, but that's that. Let's talk about I'm gonna bring in one of my oldest concealers. This is the Moira Mega Concealer. Waterproof, full coverage. I actually like how this one wears, but it's not the correct shade for me. It's a bit dark for my liking. I like to have a brightening under eye concealer, and I don't feel like this is really... You can see it on my skin color is what Teresa would say, uncooked chicken, and it's also a bit yellowy. I'm cool toned, so this is the shade Vanilla, 100 Vanilla, and I don't think that I have that much left. If I scrape, I will like... The windowing is just... the windowing stays, so it doesn't like push up new product or anything, so I want to finish that one. I am mixing it to brighten it up a bit with my Juvia's Place foundation, which is too heavy duty for all over the face, but it's a really good mixing to use with my like concealers to give them some more full coverage and also to brighten this one, for example. Yeah, I want to finish that one up, and this one weighs 32 grams today. I have a more long haul product. Is one of my oldest powders. This is the Coty OG Coty Airspun powder. This one I like. It wears well, but it has like the strongest scent. I bought this from YesStyle, and they always put like a big ass sticker on their products, so that is why the lid looks weird. Yeah, this is a ginormous compact, but I am oily, so my face eats powder pretty well. I put like a washi tape and marked it, so I'm about halfway through with this, but yeah, this is definitely going to be sticking around for some time. Even though I am oily, I think that this will be a more long haul product. This one weighs 95 grams, and I have the shade Translucent. It's not translucent though, I wouldn't say. It's not like white, so it's more of a beigey color, but it's actually a really nice powder. I understand why it's such an OG product for so many people. But yeah, it's getting older in my collection. I need to get it out. And that's that. I also talked about in my plan to pan my benefit setting or setting sprays that I want to finish, and I will start off with my Porefessional Super Setter Spray from Benefit. Really like this spray actually, although it has some kind of scent, so when I spray it and if I breathe in too quickly I always sneeze because of some scent in there. But yeah, the mister is superb, and I like this. I am currently there, because I can see that when I shine my light through. And yeah, I want to finish this. It's currently weighing 117 grams, so we shall see how long that one will take. I have two eyebrow things, one being my Soda flat brow liner, the Wow Brow flat brow liner. I got this from Beauty Bay, and it's an eyebrow pencil which is like a flat tip. I actually like it quite a lot. It's very quick for me to use this. I feel like I get more precision from it than I would like a triangular brow pen. And yeah, this is how much I have left. So I don't know, probably won't be able to use that up for next round because it's a thick, like broad pencil, so it goes much slower than like a micro brow pen would. But yeah, I'm gonna work on that. I have the shade, did I say? What shade are you? Paris 001. It's like a very good for me taupey kind of color. Actually, very much enjoy this. It's very affordable also. That's the pen there. The other brow product, I'm sorry for the look of this. It's my MINA Eyebrow Mascara. I think I got this from like an advent calendar. I probably did. And this is just a clear brow gel. However, it looks nasty now because I always use it when I have used like my brow pens and so on. So this is what that product is looking like. Ew. Don't know, it feels like I've been like running through this quite quickly, like especially compared to other brow products that I've been, brow gels that I've been using, but the brush is very, very tiny. I don't particularly enjoy this. It doesn't give that much hold or anything, so I just want to work this one out. And yeah, I want to finish it. And this one weighs 10 grams today. Okay, final two products. I'm bringing back my lip liner from KIX. This is in the shade Dusty Rose. KIX is no longer a brand. It's a Swedish like beauty store, but their own brand, they rebranded like they changed their own brand from KIX Beauty to like Beauty Act. So KIX, this brand is no longer, and this is how much I have left. I used this in my project pan last year also. It's a very good shade, works with a lot of lipsticks that I have to kind of just give a little bit of darker like outer rim edge. Yeah, if you want that kind of effect. So yeah, I'm not too shabby at working, like getting use out of my lip pencils, so I don't think that this will be too long, but probably more than a month, but not too long after that. This one weighs, without the lids, it weighs 2 grams, so probably won't see much weight change for that product. And then finally, I talked about in my plan to pan that I want to pan, maybe use up my makeup Mekka blush. This is their mineral matte blush in the shade Charming. It's just this very neutral colored blush. It is the blush that I'm wearing today, but I did top it off because I felt like the eyeshadow needed a draping effect, so I used my new Made by Mmmitchell blush. If I haven't uploaded that video, it is coming, but if I have uploaded it, you will find it in the description box. But yeah, this is very, like, it kicks up a lot of product when I put my brush in. It's just a neutral blush, perfect for work and so on. And I would love to probably like use it up, but we shall see how long it takes for me to hit pan and what I'm kind of deciding after that. This one weighs 19 grams today. And yeah, those were the 10 products that I'm starting out with. Let me know, are you doing a project pan this year? Or are you doing several project pans this year? I would love to know. But yeah, I feel like some of these products are like basically gimme products, like the primer, the foundation, but you know, we need to have some easier products and then some more challenging products like the blush and the powder. That's the way to go, I think. But yes, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and yeah, we'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!